Charlotta here from MD Needle Pen. So I just want to let you guys know that when you buy our MD Needle Pen kit, you will get a bottle of this pure hyaluronic acid that you can use in treatment, but we also sell them on our website if you want more of them. They are really good. It's pure hyaluronic, low and high molecule size on and this. You all know that hyaluronic acid binds water. So hyaluronic acid is something that you should definitely look at in products that you use daily or use on your clients because it's really, really good and hydrating for the skin. This hyaluronic acid is also cruelty-free, paraben-free, and vegan, and is hypoallergenic. So don't miss out on the pure hyaluronic. Also, if you have more questions in regards to it, feel free to either call us or you can also email us directly. Our email is info@mdneedlepen.com.